Hello, we are TBT Inc. Turn Back Time. This wheelchair can take you whenever and wherever you want to go in history. It is not only a time machine, you can also use it for your transport. First, we will talk about the wheelchair itself. As you can see, it has caterpillar tracks for grip on every surface. There are a few buttons in the handles. In the right handle, you will find the buttons you'll need before your journey. With these buttons, you determine where and when you will go. When you press the green button, you will see a screen pop up. When you press the blue button, a mouse and a keyboard will pop up out of the handle. With the mouse, you can switch between the where and the when box. With the keyboard, you can fill in where and when you want to go. If you want to stop this process, press the red button. When you are entirely done with determining where and when you want to go, you grab your smartphone, open the TBT Inc. app, point your smartphone at the screen and press the button on your screen just like our actor does here. When that is done, only one of our employees will need to help you by pressing some buttons, and then you will be taken to whatever place in whatever time you've chosen to go to. This is what it will look like when one of the employees is pressing the buttons. Pressing the right button is very important, but also very difficult. You are not allowed to disturb the employee busy with the buttons, but if you do, your journey will be cancelled and you'll have to pay a fine. Now we will talk about the time traveling itself. In the left handle, you can also find some buttons. You will use these buttons during the journey itself. The red button is the emergency button. This button will immediately take you back. The blue button will make you and the wheelchair completely invisible for humans and animals. When you press the green button, an indestructible power shield will form around you and the wheelchair. You might get in trouble by seeing yourself in history or killing one animal, so it can't have children, so its whole family will never exist. These are called paradoxes. Luckily, you won't have to worry about these, because after your journey, everything will be reset. These were the safety instructions for the time travel wheelchair. The only thing left for us to say is watch out and have fun.